Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In today's video, we will see how to work with time intelligence feature in Power BI. So let's get started. It is easy to analyze time-based data with Power BI. So the data modeling tool in Power BI desktop automatically includes generated fields that will allow you to drill down through years, quarters, months, and days with a single click. Okay, so that is what a time intelligence feature does when you have a date field in Power BI desktop. Okay, so when you create a table visualization in your report using a date field, Power BI desktop automatically includes breakdowns by the period. Okay, so for example, the single date field in the data table will be automatically separated into year, quarter, month, and day into Power BI. Okay, so let me show you a practical example what exactly time intelligence features and how it works into Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. Okay, so I am into Power BI desktop now, and I have a field which says as new orders. This is the same data that we have worked in our previous video. If you can see, I have an order date hierarchy which has already been created, so we will be working with the order dates here. Okay, so let me show you a table. I'll create a table which says the date hierarchy. Okay, and which will give you year, quarter, month, and day. And let's also take the profit of sales that has happened. Okay, so this is how your table will look like. Okay, when you have a date hierarchy, so it's giving me year, it's giving me a quarter, it's giving me a month, and it's giving me a day along with the profit of that particular year, quarter, month, and day. Okay, so let's convert this table into a stack column chart and see what happens. So if you see, when I converted this chart into a stack column chart, it is giving me profit by year. If you see this option here, it's giving me profit by year. Okay, so if I want to go and see what was the profit in the year 2012, I can just hover on that particular column and I'll get the profit of that particular year. Okay, so I want to see what was the profit, quarterly profit in the year 2012. So to do so, what I have to do is just click on that particular year and do a right click and click on drill down. So once I click on drill down, so what will happen here is it will give you the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 profit. If I just hover over it, it will give you the order date quarter. So it is like, if you see, we were looking at the profit, quarterly profit of year 2012. Okay, now if I want to further drill down in quarter 3 and see what was the profit, I will just go to this quarter, select this quarter, click on drill down, and it will give me the quarter months, which it will give me the months, quarter 3 months, that is July, August, and September, and it will give me the profit of that particular month itself. Okay, if I want to further drill down, it will further go to, let's select what was the profit in the month of August, a day wise profit, and just click on drill down, and it will give me the profit, a day wise profit in the month of August. Okay, that we have selected. So if I just hover on that on any of the date, it will give you that we are looking at 2012 year, quarter 3, that is August, and in the month of quarter 3, the month is August, and as of now the date that I have selected is the 9th. So this is how you can work with the time intelligence into Power BI. So if I want to go back to the year that was selected in the start, what I have to do is just, if you can see the option which says drill up, if I click on drill up, it will give you the previous step, that was the month that we have selected. If we select further drill up, it will go to the quarter. If I further click on drill up, it will go and take me to the very first screen that was for the month, and that was for years. Okay, so this is how you can work with the time intelligence features into Power BI. Okay, so you can do it from here itself, or you have an option which, if you can see the arrows which says here So click to run on drill down. You have the option go to the next level in the hierarchy, and you have the expand all. So you have the other option as well. So if I click on this particular option, let's see what happens. So what will happen, it will further break down the year into quarter. So if you see, it will show you the all quarter. So if you see, you have 2011 quarter 1, you have 2011 quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, you have the quarter option as well, quarter 4 options. Quarter 4 you have again 2012 quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. If I further drill down, what will happen is it will say that in 2011 quarter 1 January, this was the profit. If I further drill it down, it will take me to a date, it will take me to a date level drill down. Okay, so this is how you can work with the time intelligence features into Power BI. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.